While we focus a lot of our time, money, and energy on perfecting our ultimate gaming basement setup, full of all kinds of tech and entertainment, from sports to gaming to arcades, we also like to focus more on the minimal setups we have spread out throughout our house. This specifically applies to our living room and dining room. While we are really happy with the look of our living room right now, our dining room has been the least thought out and complete area of the house for a long time. Don't worry though, we believe we have fixed it. And that is in part thanks to today's sponsor, Colamy, who sent us new dining room chairs. Thank you Colamy for sponsoring this video and helping us give some love to our kitchen and dining area. They sent us 2 different dining room chairs, so let's start with the ones we decided to keep in our dining room. These are the Colamy Tufted fabric rolled back dining chairs. They come in several different colors: beige, camel, ripple, gray, and light gray. It was really hard to choose which color to go for, but in the end we went with gray. I think they fit the space really well, especially better than our previous dark brown chairs. You can also choose if you want a set of 2, a set of 4, or a set of 6 chairs, and as you can see, we ended up with 6 chairs since we have a pretty large table. The chair's dark brown wooden legs match perfectly with the wood of our table, which makes them fit in really well. They are also really comfortable thanks to the soft padded seat cushions and ergonomic design. I personally really like the design of them. It makes the whole area feel a lot more luxurious. As you also can see, we added something else to this dining room area, and that is new bookshelves. These are the Billy bookshelves from IKEA, which fit absolutely perfectly in the space, both size-wise and with the color scheme. I don't talk about it much in here, but I'm a huge reader and collector of books. We previously had extra tall bookshelves in the living room, which I was quickly growing out of, so when Cam asked what we should upgrade in the house next, I said bookshelves. He came up with the really smart idea of turning this unused space of the dining room into a wall of books, and we both love how it turned out. So now all of my fantasy books are in the huge living room shelf since it's my most read genre, and all other books are in the dining room. A bonus is what this looks like from the view of the living room, kind of extending the old tall bookshelves into a full wall of books. Surprisingly, it also gives us more room in the dining room overall, so everything feels more spacious and inviting, especially paired with our new dining chairs. Speaking of the living room, I did mention that we are very happy with how it's progressed this year with plenty of upgrades such as this huge reclining leather couch paired with a coffee table with a built-in fridge and speaker, and of course our massive 100-inch Hisense TV, which yes, is perfectly viewable from the dining room too, making it perfect to watch stuff while eating. The latest addition here though is something that we've had on our wish list for a long time and honestly didn't think would happen. And that is a full-sized massage chair. It's been great using this to relax after a busy day, and it's got a great view of the TV too. Earlier, I mentioned Colamy sent us 2 sets of chairs, so where are the other ones? Well, for that we have to go down to the basement and enter our secret hidden room. Here we have a PC, but more importantly for this video, a poker table. We love playing casual poker here when we have friends and family over, but we didn't quite have the right chairs for it. Before we had fold-up leather chairs, which, yes, were nice, but not as nice as these new ones from Colamy. These are the Colamy Noya mid-century modern dining chairs. Similarly to the others, you can get these in a variety of colors, like beige, light gray, camel, blue, and an upcoming selection of green. For these, we went with beige for that classic look, and think they look great in the setup, especially paired with, yet again, the wooden legs. You can get these chairs in a set of 2, 4, 6, 8, or even 10. We ended up selecting 4 chairs since our backroom and poker table is on the smaller side and it fits our needs great. We really like the design of these and that they're very comfortable to sit in thanks to how wide they are, paired with the upholstered fabric and high density foam cushioning. Sadly, these were too low profile for our large dining room table upstairs, so we're happy that we were able to use them around the poker table instead, since they are really nice chairs. They'd be perfect though if you have a more minimal dining table for sure. Do let us know in the comments below which set of chairs you prefer. We're very curious. Thank you again to Colamy for sponsoring this video and sending us these 2 sets of chairs. We really appreciate the upgrades we were able to do with them and think they really elevate both of our setups. And of course, thank you guys for watching the video. We couldn't do this without you. Please consider liking this video and subscribing to the channel if you want to see more content like this. We have a lot of tech and setup videos coming up that we'd love for you to watch. We also post daily short form content on YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram at CamXPetra for even more videos, and also stream gameplay on YouTube and Twitch, both also at CamXPetra. Until next time, bye.